Snow in the building again. About to show you what my gun man done did to me. He done brought something out on me and I couldn't turn it down. So obviously I got a new addition to the family right now. It's the Jericho, which was formerly known as the Baby Desert Eagle. Now this is the Jericho II Enhanced. And I'm finna go ahead and open it up, see what we working with here. All right, we got manuals and little key things to put on your keys. You got a couple of magazines, magazine here, magazine here. Got your lock, and we have the Jericho. Alrighty, let's go ahead and pull this out. Check it out. Yeah, nice gun. I like it. When he showed it to me and told me what the price was, I was like, all right, man. You're going to be the reason I'm in trouble at the house, coming at me with these good prices. Let me take this stuff off. And then there we go. We have a 17-round magazine. This is a hammer-fired weapon. And as you see, it's has some of the cues of the Desert Eagle still with the slanted front. Of course, it doesn't have the same mechanics, but it's IWI, Israeli Weapons Industry. So this is a gun from Israel, and feels real good in the hand. Feels great in the hand, actually. I mean, it fits well. It's not heavy. It's a polymer bottom gun. Has steel slide, of course, and there it is. The catch is easily attained, and from what I've seen, the takedown on these guns isn't that hard to take it down. I'm not going to take it down right now. Don't feel like doing it. And looks like the magazine release is able to be reversed. So, it's a nice gun, It is not heavy at all compared to my Rock Island. My Rock Island is a beast, but that's a double stack 45. What do you expect? It's gonna be heavy. It's full steel 45, so yeah, it's gonna be a lot heavier. All right, but this is just a quick unboxing. I just got it here, so I haven't had a chance to do anything with this. I haven't had a chance to shoot it yet. I haven't had a chance to really just, have any type of go over with it. You are looking at it as I am, and as you see, it is absolutely clean in there because nothing has ran through this thing yet. But this is just a preliminary on it. Just a preliminary on it. You will be seeing more of this weapon. You will be seeing more of this weapon. This is gonna be my everyday carry here for the next few weeks while I decide how much I like it. I like the rail on the front. Yeah, I like it. I mean, I like everything about this so far. So you will get an update here soon. Thanks for watching, and check out the rest of the channel. So sub and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.